What's up, guys? The Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. So it's going to be the next part here that I'm talking about the ground effects is the side skirts. Now, link will be in the description below to where you can find them. Again, the Extreme Online store is where I got them from, and they were carbon flash metallic, if y'all are wondering what the color was. Great price. Y'all can find it on the website. Real easy install. It does help with the second person, but like I said before, I was initially going to make a how-to video on how to do it, but there's many videos on YouTube showing you how to do it. I'm just going to show you the result of that's on the car here and kind of just go over my thoughts. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, for the side skirts, go ahead, make sure that the entire length of the side skirt is clean, especially right here on the edge, and then take your either supplied tape that they give you, or you can buy aftermarket 3M tape, and go ahead and just put a strip all the way, pretty much going along the side of it. It doesn't have to be a full length of it. You can kind of cut it in sections, but go ahead and just put the tape all along the side. Don't take off the red yet, because once you actually get closer to putting it on the car, then you can go ahead and put it on. But let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, there is the car right there. So again, here's what the end result looks like with the side skirts on the car. I'll go over to the other side here. Okay, great. I get so many compliments how they look. I've already won pretty much. You've seen in my other videos, I won second place in my class at a car show based off this, and I'm pretty sure that if I didn't have any of these ground effects and stuff on the car, I probably would have lost and not placed. So everyone was complimenting how great this car looked, and I believe that the side skirts definitely make the car so much better, gives it a much more aggressive look to it. And it really was not, I mean, it really was nothing at all to get them on. You know, in the video you'll see that I put the 3M tape on there. You line everything up. There is a single bolt that you undo on this side here to kind of hold the side skirt up in place. Then go ahead and slowly start going along the body, pushing the side skirt up against the car, just to kind of get everything lined up. Okay, once everything's lined up, then you go ahead and start screwing in the supplied screws that come with it. Okay, real simple installation. Make sure you just go slowly, follow everything just like you would on the instructions, or if you've seen a video on YouTube how to do it. Pretty straightforward. We did have a little bit of difficulty on this passenger side getting the screws to fit in just right, but everything else ended up coming out great. It very, very sturdy, comes with everything you need to. Just need to drill into the side with there, but I mean, otherwise it comes out great, looking awesome. And like I said, I just love the way it looks with these on there. They look amazing, and I don't know anyone else who would think otherwise. I mean, a stock Stingray like I used to have, the C51, without them, it just kind of, I mean, it looks good, but everything looks better when it's looking more like a Z06 or a higher end car. But I mean, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Very easy to do. I think that was the simplest thing to do out of all of them, to be honest. And just line everything up correctly, make sure everything's good, and then bolt it up to the car, and everything's pretty sturdy from what you can see. I mean, it's on there, and you can always, I guess, drill more if you really want to, but they give you enough to where everything is supplied on there, and I mean, it's good on there. So those are the side skirts for the C7 that I think any base Z51 owner who doesn't have them should get them, to make the car stand out so much better and just make it look more aggressive. And overall, I mean, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Definitely one of the easier things to do for the car, just to make it look better in my opinion. So, but I don't have, I mean, I could keep going on all day about the side skirts, but it's pretty simple. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk about the next one on the next video, and that's going to be with the front splitter. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for supporting me on these videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me out on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube by doing so. I would appreciate the help and support, guys. But until the next one, hopefully y'all have a great day. Peace.